colors and numbers with washable paint. Fun finger painting for kids. Hey there, little artists. Welcome to a super fun painting adventure. Today, we're going to learn numbers and colors using these awesome washable paints. But wait, I have a mystery surprise for you. Let me show you just a tiny little bit. What do you think this could be? A tree? Or maybe a funny face? Maybe something even cooler? Stay with me and we'll find out together. Okay, first, let's count our colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job! Now we can say the colors out loud. Number 1 is red. Number 2 is blue. Number 3 is yellow. Number 4 is orange. Number 5 is green. Number 6 is purple. Number 7 is dark blue. Number 8 is brown. Number 9 is pink. And number 10 is white. That's very good. And oh, I almost forgot. Do you want to see a little bit more of the mystery picture? Yeah, I think this looks like it could be maybe a cat. No, or perhaps a superhero. What do you think? Keep watching and we'll find out soon. Okay, let's start out with our first color. Oh, that's red. Let's make a big red dot on our paper. See, just like this with our fingers. Now we can try out with blue. Dip your finger and press. Yes, that's exactly it. Good job. Now that we have painted all of our colors, let's do something magical. Do you know what happens when we mix colors? Let's find out together. Let's take red and yellow. What do you think will happen when we mix this? Look at that! It makes orange. Wow, it's just like magic. And now we can try mixing blue and yellow. Can you guess the color? Yes, it's green. It's so cool. Let's try this one more time. What if we mix red and blue? Let's see. Wow, it's turning purple. You have been waiting to see the mystery picture, haven't you? Okay, I'll show you a little bit more. Oh, I think I see something. But what is it? Maybe it's a smile? Or like a big nose. Keep watching to find out. Oh my goodness! Look at my hands! They're so colorful. But don't worry, these are washable paints, so we can wash our hands together. Look, if we wash our hands in this bowl, the paint disappears. Now that our hands are all clean, it's time for the special surprise. We have seen little pieces of it, but are you ready to see the whole thing? Here it is! It's a cute little butterfly! How pretty! I think we can start out with some red here. And maybe some blue here. Oh, and we can paint this green! Guess what? You can download this coloring page and paint it at home too. Just ask a grown-up to help you. The link is right below. Wow, that was so much fun! Today, we learned about numbers, colors, and we even got to paint with our fingers and also use a paintbrush. I would love to see your artwork. If you paint your own picture, you can ask a grown-up to share with me in our webpage. See you next time! Bye-bye!